Hello guys, welcome. This is Eduardo from EATogether. It's super hot outside, summertime, so we decided to make this watermelon salad. Super refreshing, simple, bright, and gorgeous. Okay guys, the ingredients for this 10-minute salad is garlic, ginger, mix of sweet peppers, basil, mint, and cilantro leaves, scallions, and I almost forget, watermelon! Okay guys, so we're gonna cut the watermelon. So first, cut the top and the bottom. Don't waste your watermelon, don't cut a lot. Then put it back, and then you're gonna, this is to have a base, and then you're gonna introduce your knife 45 degrees, and then you're gonna go all the way down, and then when you're going all the way down, you're gonna finish in 45 degrees as well. Okay, so we get in here, and then you start going slow, and then you finish. And you're gonna go with that with the whole watermelon. Then introduce the knife again. You see, I'm not really taking a lot of the watermelon. It's mostly white. And you see how beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna make cubes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut half so it's easier to cut, and then I'm just gonna reserve half of this watermelon here, and then I'm gonna use this. Then now what I'm gonna try to do is like a rectangle. So this, I won't use this, but I will eat it later. And then I'm gonna do this, a rectangle here. That's gonna be the thickness of my squares. So, and then from here, I'm just gonna make lines. So from here, I'm gonna get two squares, one here and one here, because this is what is going to happen. Look, it doesn't have to be perfect, you know. And then we get these squares. This is what we want. The same with the other piece. So we get one here, and if you want it just perfect, just remove, for example, the top, and then just cut here, 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 and here. For the vinaigrette, we're gonna use tamari. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and half of a lemon. This is a large lemon, and you can adjust it, you know, if you like it more acidity or less soy sauce, you can always adjust it. Okay, now we're just gonna season it with some salt. Not too much because the soy is very salty, and we're just gonna mix it together. This is a broken vinaigrette, so it's fine, it doesn't have to emulsify. I'm just dissolving the salt. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, I'm gonna make these guys feel some heat. Very hot pan. And then, oh, can you hear? So, just like that, spread them out in the pan, and wait for like, I would say 45 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, the garlic, and the ginger. Just really quick. You just wanted to cook a little bit the garlic and the ginger together. I would say 3 minutes or less. So okay, so this is done. Very fragrant, ginger, garlicky, peppery. Remember, these are sweet peppers, so they are not really spicy. So don't be afraid to add more. Okay, let's go. Guys, now we're gonna plate. So this is the more fun part. You know, I love this. So we have the watermelon cubes that we did before, and we have the toasted sesame seeds. So then now, look. Ooh, gorgeous, right? And then, you know, here. Some of them here, some of them just plain. This. This is good for if you go to the park, if you just, you know, you just wanna make something for your guests. And then we have this, there are the peppers. We just did. So we're just basically gonna spread on the plate. Very rustic, you know, because this is something to share with family, with friends, and it has a very, very amazing balance because of the garlic, the ginger. It has a lot of flavor, a lot of explosion there. And then here we mix our vinaigrette and we drop it on top. Oh my goodness, I'm salivating already, and I'm not kidding. Okay, and then we have our fresh herbs. We have scallions, some cilantro. You can share this as in the middle of the table as a starter, and I'm sure your guests are gonna love it. You can chop with your fingers just so everyone gets like a bite of basil and mint. You know, but how gorgeous is it? Doesn't it? Hey guys, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to show you the plate, this beautiful, gorgeous salad. So it's very simple. You saw the method. I show you how to cut the watermelon, the chilies, 10-minute salad. What else do you want? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love it. Make it for your family, for your friends, and they're gonna totally love you. I'm sure of that. And if not, you leave a comment and say, Eduardo, they didn't like it. Give me my money back. And I'm gonna be like, you didn't think? And then I was like, oh, just kidding. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you so much.